Okay, Lakay, we just visited 3 schools today. And itong mga anak mo na pabayaan na namin, hindi sila nag-breakfast and lunch. So ito na yung breakfast, lunch, and dinner nila. Okay, so we just finished visiting schools. Kaya ayan, are you super hungry? So it's already, anong oras na ba? It's 4:34. We just picked up Emres from his school and hindi pa siya kumain, hindi pa siya nag-breakfast and lunch. So ito na yung breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Ala, sige. So sorry Lakay, ginutom ko na ang mga anak mo dahil sa kabubookworms namin. Oh yeah, bookworms pa more. Kainin ng mga libro. Is it good? Is it super good? Mabibisin na una yan, okay. Tio, is it good? Ala, niyan na pa yung makas... Napkin is over there. Tio, you need to breathe. Breathe. Ayan, hindi na humihinga si Tio. Sa sobrang gutom. Oh. Ang ala, Tio.
Nasparan samot.
Hindi kasi meron siyang singaw eh. Yan. Oh wow, may taga ano ka pa ng sauce mo ha.